Hey everyone, welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial. In today's video we are going to design trendy anniversary flyer like this. Let's get started as jump into Photoshop. I will be using this images for the design and the dark blue with the color sample in this page. You can download the image over the link in the video description. Width 1080 pixels. Height 1080 pixels. And resolution 72 pixels. Now jump to the layer panel and create new layer, select the color and insert the number as you see in this video. Now let's drag in our photo element and set it into perspectives as you like. Just follow through and do the same thing I am doing to arrive at better size for the celebrant. You can set up a guides to cut the safe area for the image and text. Hit Ctrl T on Windows or Command T Mac to transform the shapes. The drags in the celebrant and resize it according to the shape, by hitting Ctrl T on Windows or Command T Mac to transform the image. Now select one of the shape, go to the top panel, select layer and click on duplicate layer to duplicate the player. Right-click the duplicated shape and select rasterize layer. Use rectangular marquee tool, drag and cut off segment the duplicated layer by going to edit and hit on cut so that our celebrant face and hair will come into focus as seen in this video. Now let's drag in the ribbon. Hit Ctrl T on Windows or Command T Mac to transform the ribbon to resize it. Now let's add our text. First select the type tool and type your text according to your choice. Keep in mind I am just showing you example, in this case I will be typing AA at 50. It all depends on you. You can write your name as the celebrant. Do the same thing as seen in the video to type all your text, adjust accordingly to fit into the perspective of the design. Let's type a curved text into the ribbon. Select the pen tool by hitting P on your keyboard and drag across the ribbon to make a curved text. Select the type tool and type your text according to your choice. This design I am typing Happy Golden Jubilee, or just follow and do the same thing I am doing in this video to arrive at the same result or even better. Now let's change the color of our text. Double click on the text from the layer panel and from the drop down menu select color overlay, and from the color side change it by picking a golden color sample from the shape, then select bevel and emboss and adjust just as seen in this video to mimic the golden color of the shape used in this design. Just follow the video and do the same. However, you can use the color of your choice. Now let's change the age 50 to golden color. Since we already have the gold color sample from the text, just right click on the Happy Golden Jubilee text and from the drop down menu select copy layer style. Go to the 50 text in the panel and right click the text and from the drop down menu select paste layer style. Let's group the layers. Select the white and blue color and hit the group icon to group them. Change the name to BG. Do the same for all the text, group them and rename it text. Let's type the next text, in this case using Bieber's Neue for my text, and I am typing the date. You know the date for your celebrations, so just type according to your choice. Again, adding other text to the design using the same method. I am typing venue for the celebration. Just follow the video, and do the best for you design to come out great. Play around the text and choose the best for your Dane. Just showing you example, or just watch the video and do the same thing you see me doing. Adding another text for the event description. However, this is optional, it depends on your choice, and if you like what I am doing, then you can just follow the same way and do the same. Make sure that you type small text in this area, to make the design to look good. So far what we have look very good to me. Continue to calibrate the text until you arrive at your choice. As you can see, I just fill in the text without the actual description, so in your case you have to type your own description according to the event order so that all the invitee will see and make their preparation based on the date and what is required to be in the event. Like I said, this is optional, I am just showing you example. Duplicate one of the text and change it to for more info. You can add the word of your choice. Reduce the size of the text to fit into the perspectives of the design just as seen in this video. Now select all the text again, group them and rename the group according to your choice, but in this case I will name it text 2. You can also change the color of each on group in the layer panel by right-clicking on the eye symbol of each panel, just as you see in this video. As we are getting close to the end of the design, just look at the design, apply all the needed touches to the design. I will adjust the gold curve text to make big a little, so it depend on you, just showing you example. Now let's add in some Greek gold decoration art to the design at the edges of the design to make it look good and nice. Now duplicate the Greek gold decoration art ornament, move them to the other sides of the design just as seen in this video. This is also optional, you may not need it, but for this design we are going all out for this way. Place the golden ornamental frame into perspective in all the four corners of the design, just follow in the example in this video. Now our design is done, everything look good to me. If you want to print this design, before you do so make sure that you change the resolution to 300 pixels to make the printing great. Thanks for watching. For more video like this, kindly subscribe, like, share and leave us a comment in the comment section of this video.